little bit of this thing.
For this, y'all only want to use a little bit because you get salt.
And you use a lot of these. Just a little tip. White browning. That's how you get the color of the chicken. Damn, why is this shit so thick?
This is when I realized I put too much browning. Sorry.
This is thyme, this is cayenne, and this is scotch bonnet pepper. Then after you cut up everything in it, so this is the pepper, this is scallion, this is the thyme, you just mix it together. Good mixture. But when you put water in the water, it will come back to its natural color. That pepper is strong. And boom.
Y'all, when I realized that I put too much browning, all you gotta do is add a little water when it's in the pot, okay? All right. Right here, all I do is add little water in it and just mix up everything. So you just put it in the pot. Basically just throw it in now, you know what I'm saying? So after that, oh shit. When the pot is cooking up, you just throw the water in there. That's all you got to do, okay?
Wash the thing.
Hey, I shooting this, I know. What I'm doing right here, y'all, is just washing the cutting board that I used to cut up the chicken on. You know what I'm saying? You gotta wash it. Don't mind my soggy titties. So after washing up the dishes or whatever, I went in the pot and checked. You see that white thing right there? That's the chicken breast, like the little fat that's coming out of it. So that's 3 minutes or 10 minutes after. I don't fucking know.